Hello, I hope you're having a great day. In this demo, I'll show you how I painted this study of an eye. This eye study went through a long process of trial and error, and I did 4 paintings to reach my desired result. Each study had errors that I used to improve the next one. This is for me a very quick way to learn from my mistakes. After each artwork, I took notes on what I should have kept and implemented the improvements into the next painting session of the same study until the acceptable outcome. I know that repeating the same subject over and over is boring and time-consuming. I've never done it myself until now, but what I've learned from it will stay with me forever. Another trick to keep the process digestible and fun is to paint in small formats. Mine was a square of 10.5 centimeters of 4 inches. In this preview, I'll leave you a few clips from my latest eye study. If you'd like to learn more about the full painting process, you can find it on my Patreon. Just click on the link in the description. The video is almost 2 hours long and is explained in real time, completely in English. In fact, I would like to apologize in advance for my terrible improvised English. But at least I have a good excuse to force myself to learn it for real. That said, I have more video tutorials in store for you, and I'd love to hear from you about which subjects you will most like to tackle together. Do you want to learn more about drawing or painting? Or maybe you're interested in a specific technique? Just let me know! Please consider subscribing to my channel if you like my contents. This will be a great help to support me and my work. And that's all for today. I wish you a wonderful and creative day. Just keep painting! Bye!